So Cronos coin is currently trending today and people are waking up. They are finally not sleeping on Cronos coin, and you'll actually be seeing that it's trending alongside with Solana as well, that we know they have been making big moves recently. And so as well as that, I will also be talking about the price action today for the 20th of November. And if we do have any other news for Cronos coin, we will also look into that. So you'll see over here that this recent article said that crypto on the rise as Cronos and Solana join new meme coin as trader favorites. I am quite pleased with the fact that Cronos coin is now basically popular alongside with Solana, obviously despite the price differences, but you'll see over here that Cronos, Solana and Nugget Rush are on the rise, positioning themselves as compelling investments. And so it says over here that the market is on the rise and Cronos is at the frontier of this rally. As one of the top altcoins on the crypto market, it has become an investor favorite. Obviously, not only the fact that it is crypto.com, the exchange, with all of the other meme coins on there, but also because of its price as well. That isn't all, its growing traction and growth potential have made it one of the most popular go-to investments. So again, I think in the short term, people are looking for the 50-cent price target within a couple of months, whereas in the long term, they are looking for Cronos coin to be hitting that $1 price target, which I think we will be having a lot of sell-offs as people will be taking profits, and that's fine. Again, it says here that if you're hoping to ride that current bullish wave in the crypto market, Cronos is a top choice. And this article just goes to show how popular Cronos coin is now becoming, and people are finally waking up and they are not sleeping on Cronos coin at all. And guys, all I ask from you are two things, which is to smash that like button and to subscribe to the channel as well for your daily crypto news. Now for Cronos coin or crypto.com, we haven't really had that much news for this past week. Again, all what I can really reiterate and say is that crypto.com have now released their new product feature, which are the strike options, and they have tweeted it out today saying that you can enjoy your zero tech fees for strike options until the year ends. And so it does seem like as if this is an offer for the next month and a bit, which is pretty decent because you get to save some money on fees. Again, before we have a look at the price action for today, another piece of news which is a bit old now, crypto.com was actually granted a virtual asset service provider license by Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority. Again, they actually did win this, so the license is subject to fulfillment of pre-operating conditions and qualifying for operational approval, but it wouldn't really surprise me if they actually got the approval and then they were granted the license as well. The Dubai Financial Services Authority as well have been doing a lot with these altcoins, so I am glad to see that crypto.com was one of them that was able to get in there. And so let's have a look at the price action for today. We are currently trading at 9 cents, basically just below 10 cents, right? We are in the green. We are up by 1.4% on the 1 day, and the volume has roughly increased by 7%. We are currently trading at 17.4 million in volume. Now the overall crypto market shows that the 24-hour volume has increased by 22.86%, and we have a volume of 45.81. It is still pretty low compared to the previous week where we had roughly 76 billion in volume. However, it's still pretty good. So as that has come up in volume, it has also feeded into Crocoin's volume as well. And so if we have a look at what happened in the earlier part of the day, Crocoin has very much been playing with that high 0.9 level price. You'll see over here at 1:30 we reached a price of 0.09832. Again, then it did dip to roughly a low here of 0.0974. In terms of the price, there haven't really been large swings, right? We haven't gone from 9 cents all the way to 6 cents. However, we had a bit of a dip which doesn't really affect the price at all. It was roughly around about 0.0625. Again, barely even that much of a difference, to be honest with you. And then we managed to pick up right now to 0.09787. And so for the 1 day chart, we're doing pretty well. We are consolidating quite nicely on that high 9 cent level. If we have a look at the 7 day chart to see where we were before, again, yesterday we were trading at that high 0.9 level, with the volume being roughly around about 2 million lower than we are now at around about 15 million. And the previous day we actually managed to hit 10 cents at a volume of 19 million, and that 10 cents is a price target that we need to keep an eye on in order to make sure that Crocoin can actually find its support level. So that's where we are currently looking for Crocoin to be. On the 7 day chart, it has gone up by 2.64%. Now I do think that Crocoin has held extremely well. We have not seen it go past that 6 cent level or even back to that 5 cent price point. Again, we are up by 87.43%, and so it's absolutely important to understand that Crocoin has been winning for basically the past month, right? The lowest that we actually did reach was 0.08614, but it bounced back off from there, and then we rallied to a high of 10 cents and nearing towards that 11-cent level as the volume basically 4x'd within that day. And so I'm really happy with the fact that Crocoin is consolidating at that very high 9-cent level. Again, I do want to see it touch 10 cents this week, but the all important question is to see whether or not we can hit that 12 cents again. Guys, if you want daily crypto coin news, subscribe to the channel and like the video as well.